Welcome to this amazing Hostinger review. For those who don't know, Hostinger is one of the pioneer company which I have been using from the last 5 years on my own blog, and I am very so far very satisfied with it, which is why I'm here with an amazing Hostinger review. And if anyone wants to buy Hostinger at an amazing discount prices right now you can get as much as up to 95% off. What you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code. Now let's get started on this amazing Hostinger review. So once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed over here. I'm going to tell you a few of the reasons which is why I opted for Hostinger. What are the things I like about it? What are the things which I think can be improved for Hostinger? So let's get started with this amazing Hostinger review. So once you click on the link in the description and you will landed over here, and you can see it's 85% off, but if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code, you can save as much as up to 95% off. Now scroll below over here, there are a few features which I want to tell you regarding Hostinger. So first of all, look around on the reviews. 63,000 reviews on Trustpilot and 4.7 ratings, with majority of the reviews as 5-star and some as 4-star, and some they got 1-star reviews as well. So look around on the reviews: 5-star, 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 and this is only 1-star. Apart from this, all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, and this was one of the reasons I opted to buy my hosting from Hostinger. And for those who don't know, there is an amazing thing with Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, and it was kind of a relief in my eye, because I wanted to get in hosting with an ease, but the reviews are very tempting, with majority of the reviews being at the 5-star and only 1-star review. And the best thing is that you can claim 30 days money back guarantee. Now Hostinger is also being featured in almost all of the famous websites: TechRadar, Wirecutter, Wired, CNET, Forbes, PC Magazine. So almost everyone says that Hostinger is an amazing company. Scroll below. Hostinger also comes with a website builder, and you can easily create your website with it. And if you don't know, the Hostinger website builder is included on all of the plans by default, so you do not need to buy the specific plans as they say, because Hostinger builder is included. Hostinger also provide you with WordPress as well, and if you want to create your website on WordPress, even I am using WordPress for my own blog, you can build a WordPress website with it as well. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger section where you can easily migrate your website, that too free of cost. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal from Hostinger. Hostinger also supports AI. Hostinger Horizon is the latest AI-based program where you turn your words or ideas into reality. You just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create a website. You can see, give the command and change the website theme. You can just have to give the command. Right now, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I am using it as well. 150 plus countries being served, 20 plus years of experience, and 5 I'm using it from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. 10 million plus websites are created with this as well. Hostinger also has a human-led AI-powered support. Also, another interesting thing regarding Hostinger is Hostinger control panels known as hPanel, which I have been using it from the last 4 to 5 years. My experience so far is very good. I'm going to open it and show to you before we move to the plans and pricing at Hostinger. So let's move on to the control panel, also known as hPanel. You can see here, I can see my data over here, my to-dos, my websites, everything is mentioned over here. I just have to see my domain portfolio. Horizons over here where I have to give the command and it's automatically going to create a website with it. I can manage my WordPress over here. I can see marketplace over here. You can see around over here. I can see other things as well. I can do my account sharing over here, and I can manage my websites over here as well. So I'm going to manage one of my website over here to show you how I can manage it. So I'm going to go to the dashboard of it over here. You can see the control panel is very easy. Even a beginner or a newbie can open it without any issues. I can see my WordPress performance, all of the things over here. Everything is being mentioned. I can open my databases. I can do one-click WordPress installation over here. I can transfer my domains to Hostinger as well. I can almost analyze. I have AI troubleshooter. I can check my resources. Almost everything is over here. Plan detail, resources. So it's very easy to manage. Hostinger also has auto installer, add website, so many functions, migrate website, copy website. And if I use the auto installer, I can like do one-click installation for WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, other CMS platforms as well. So I just have to select the application and just have to select to make it, and within few seconds I can make with it. And you can see, just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create it. So it's a very easy procedure with Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. Now move back to the plans. If you have clicked on the link in the description, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. And the best thing is that you can use the coupon code on any of the plans. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. And if you do a detailed analysis of all the plans, which I recommend, if you want to do, simply select the view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features function before you're going to opt one. And you can see your Hostinger website builder is included in all of the plans. You can see the plans as well, 3 plans: premium, business and cloud startup. You can offer any plan. All of the plans come with automatic website migration as well. You can choose any as per your convenience. But if you ask me which plan is good, the first year of my own hosting, I used the premium plan and it was very good. Have almost all the features which I need. The only downside of a premium plan is that you can create up to 3 websites. For majority of the people, 3 websites are sufficient. They do not need much. But I, being a marketer, I had to create more website, which is why from the second year onwards I opted for the business plan. But otherwise the premium plan is also equivalently very good at Hostinger and have almost all the features functions you may need it. So once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan. And you are also getting a free domain for the first year. So that is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code. Once you select the choose plan, you can see around over here, you are being guided over here. Now you have to select your billing period. Hostinger offers you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. In order to save the maximum amount of money, I recommend you to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. You're also getting a free domain plus 3 extra months free as well. You can claim your free domain right now over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. So if I write the domain over here, you can see it is valid only for the free for the first year. So it's a free for the first year. You can opt it right now over here or later on as well. After this, you can see your order summary over here and select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link for Hostinger. Once you apply this Hostinger coupon code, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. Now 48 months at 85%, 3 extra months free, domain name and 10% additional. Do your math, it's more than 95% off. And there is another coupon code as well. So again, you have a preference to choose either of the coupon code. You can choose any as per your convenience. So both are being mentioned in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So you can see that this has also provided with a 10% discount. You can see your 30 days money back guarantee is also being loaded. Now select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And the last part is very exciting because now you have to fill and submit your order, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your details. So see your order summary over here. Is everything all fine up to the mark? Your 30 days money back guarantee is also valid. You're also getting free domain for free for the first year. Now write your billing details over here and move on to the continue. Once you write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Now I'm going to show you that Hostinger offers a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, crypto. So guys, we have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. So let's say we're going to credit card. I'm going to select the credit card, write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And once I select the submit payment, within few minutes, I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my hosting account details. So just for a revision, anyone who want to buy hosting from Hostinger, this may be the perfect time. You can get as much as up to 95% off. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click an exclusive discount link, you will be landed to an amazing discount page. Follow the step-by-step tutorial I have mentioned in this video and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience of Hostinger is just amazing. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.